Just a quick video on the e-bike, how to change the rear pads. So this is a disc brake, hydraulic. You don't have to take the rear wheel off and just slide that on like so. And then obviously that bolts into there and there, so you take it off. You give this pin a wiggle. Come over with my wires now. And you take it off. I'll just pull it out a sec. And then you squeeze the pads together. And then you get the pads out. There you go, removed. The pads are literally this big, it's that easy to do. And they go back and the pin goes back and you do up the two bolts and you've got loads of meat on your pads.